It's unbelievable. We don't expect any other words when our tourists see the largest monastic library at the world, at the Admont Abbey. It's one of the stunning places you will visit during our Hallstatt Panoramic tour. At 7 Travel, we will show you Austria you didn't expect to see. In addition to the library, we'll continue our journey through the breathtaking region of Salzkammergut and visit fabulous town of Hallstatt. This small town lost among the high mountains on the shore of a picturesque lake with a crystal water. It's waiting for you to explore its remarkable history and culture. If you want to experience fully the calm and captivating beauty of Austrian Alps and lakes, the Alpine Panoramic tour is a must visit. An exciting experience is the best souvenir which you can bring from your trip. We are ready to give it to you. Let's travel together.